Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. If you like unboxings and reviews, well, beauty unboxings and beauty reviews, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will leave links down below or at the end of the video for other videos. Anyways, Boxycharm is a $25 beauty subscription. Well, $25 a month beauty subscription that you get 5 full-size items that retails for 25 bucks and more. I'm gonna just tell you why my energy is down is because this box is horrible and I am considering canceling. Like, literally, I really am. I'm gonna show you why, but let's just get into this. So when you open the box, it says Hello Charmer. It's red on the inside, Boxycharm, and then the Boxycharm handles. Then it's usually foam, but today we have bubble wrap, and today we have no cards. I've seen so many unboxings and they get cards, but when it comes to my box, I do not get a card. But I know the theme. The theme is Oasis. Do I know my variation? No, because I don't have a card. I don't even have a virtual card. Like, all right, let me calm down and get to the first product. Okay, the first product is this orange fill up orange palette from Touch and Soul. I really like the packaging. This retails for $32 and the back is just clear. Like, it's like glitter and then it's clear. It's really based off of one shade. I am not going to open this. I'm not going to touch it because I am putting this in a giveaway. I seen the color scheme of this and it's just not something that I need to add to my collection. It's really pretty and I love the brand Touch and Soul, but I do not need to add it to my collection, so I will be putting it in future giveaway because, you know, July next month is my birthday month and we need to do a giveaway in that. So I get some, you get some. You know what, let me show you. This is what the palette looks like. Just a regular neutral palette besides that one shade that the palette is based off of. The next thing is from Gellar, which was also in bubble wrap. This is just for $24. It's a lip and cheek palette, and all this stuff I only can use on my lips, which is why I do not like this product. Do they not see my complexion in my quiz? Like, you take a quiz. Okay, first of all, you take a quiz of your complexions, of your dislikes and your likes, of beauty products, of lifestyle products, all that extra stuff. And I like highlighters, I like blushes and all that extra stuff, but I put that I'm deep dark. This is not deep dark. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna keep the plastic on, but these are what the shades look like. That blush is way too pink for me. I could mix it with the brown to make a deeper blush, but that highlight is just, no, it's just, why use something that I wouldn't have bought myself? I love Gellar products, but this is just not hitting it for me. It's not deep enough for my skin tone, and it's a no. It's a no in my book. I mean, that highlight I could have used, but the other two I can mix as a blush. All right, boom. I could use the brown shade on my lips. I could use the thing, but I already have stuff that I love, and I just don't, I wouldn't reach for that. I really wouldn't reach for that. And that's just so, there were so many variations and I got this one. The next item is $132 and this is a repeat. My first ever repeat on Boxycharm. Wow. This is my QMS. I mean, I've heard of people getting repeats, but I never got it. This is the QMS intensifying eye cream. This has 0.5 fluid ounces, but one of the ingredients in here is alcohol, and I don't put anything with alcohol underneath my eyes. I just don't, because I get bumps, I get highs, I have allergic reaction, and me and QMS is just not hitting it. We're not best friends. No. So I will not be using this. And I already have my Kiehl's eye cream that I love, my Kylie eye cream that I love. I have so many eye creams that I already love that I will not be using this or trying this. And this will be sold on my Macari. My Macari will be down below, so go check that out. On to the third, well, this was the third product, so on to the fourth product. The next thing retails for $18. This is a lip liner trio from the brand Beauty Valet. Vault, Valet, whatever. There we go. Those are the colors. On my profile, I said no lip liners. Lip liners are the last of the ranking. What made you think that I want lip liners? Boxycharm? What made you think I want lip liners? These are what the lip liners look like. I mean, I could see me use like this shade right here. Maybe the red shade. Let me see the actual colors. This is what they look like. This one right here is Cozy Kira. And this one right here is Beau Babe. And this one right here is Natty Net. Out of the trio, I could see myself using two, Natty Net and Cozy Kira. The Beauty Babe, whatever, Beau Babe, is too pinky for me. If you don't know, for lip liners, I don't use lip liners as lip liners. I use lip liners as lipsticks, or to like mix the colors over a matte lip. That's what I like to use them as, because my lips are already defined, so I don't use it to define my lips or to keep my lipstick in place, you know. So I put the other one in the box and I swatched these two. I really do like them, so I'm not mad at this. I had to see them in person. I'm not mad at them. All right, I take that comment back. But let's go to the last product. So the last product is what I picked. This is the Elite Lashes. This is $24. And this is basically the price of the box, just $3 extra, because yep, $3 extra, because after tax it equals to 27 bucks. So yeah. Cool. So this and the two lip liners is the only thing I'm keeping in the box. Basically everything else I'm putting on my Macari or putting it in the giveaway. So this box wasn't really worth it, and last month's box only 2 items was worth it out of the 5. This month's box is like 1 item, 0.5, like half of the other item is worth it, because literally I only use the red because I need the red, because I you know, went down on my red lipstick, so that's the only reason why. And the nude would be great with the brown. I'm really disappointed in Boxycharm. Like, everybody else was like, oh, Boxycharm is going downhill. I'm like, no, it's gonna come back up. They had all these great spoilers, the First Aid Beauty, the Kylie Skincare. I didn't get that. I got a repeat instead of that. Like, I'm just done. I'm done with Boxycharm. I don't even care that I chose the 1-1 Skin. If I don't see any improvement in spoilers until like the 23rd or 24th, then I'm canceling my Boxycharm and just keeping my Boxycharm Premium. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day or a great night whenever you're watching this. My link will be down in the description box. Just have a better day than me. Bye, you guys. Happy Sunday. Or try to have a happy Sunday.